Hello and welcome to the channel. As you all know, we are covering short vowel I sound, which is I sound, and its families that we have covered so far are A D family, ID, A G family, IG, and today we are going to do A N family, IN family. But what's new today? We are not going to do the usual 3-letter words bin, pin, win. We are going to do 4-letter words which end in. So let's begin today's lesson. The first one in today's family is thin. Thin. Remember, TH makes a sound of the, but it also makes a sound of th, just like it did in thank. Th sound. TH makes a sound of the and th. Here, in, thin. Next one is ch. CH makes sound of ch. It also makes a sound of k in some cases. Here it is ch. Ch in becomes chin. I hope you remember this. SH makes a sound of sh. Sh in shin. The front part of our leg, just below the knee, that's shin. We have spin, skin, and twin. Now, how do we pronounce these words? The usual sounds, if we make and read these words, it will become sup, in, supin. But is it supin? No, it's spin. Now, how do we say these words? Whenever you see a pair of consonants together, the first sound is not completely produced. It blends with the next sound of the consonant. So, sup does not sound as supper, it is sp, sp. And same goes for sk, sk, not suck in, not suckin, it's skin. And for twin here as well. So, tw makes a sound of tw. Instead of tw in, it becomes tw in, twin. So, thin, chin, shin, spin, skin, and twin. Sight words. The first one that we have today is will. V produced by W, A sound produced by short vowel I, and L. Will. Not single L, it has double L. So that's a sight word. Will. This is here. Here. So first one is will. Next one is here. Will you go with me? Question. Beginning with the capital, ending with the period. Sorry, a question mark. So, will, our sight word for today. You, sight word again. Go, go. With. Me, sight word again. Will you go with me? He, he. Our sight word from the last lesson. He said, what did he say? The same words that he used are going to be in quotations. So this is exactly what he said. He said, yes, yes, I will. He said, yes, I will, ending in a period. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope to see you in the next lesson with more short vowel I families.